What's up everyone, it's Jason here with Red Bee Labs and welcome to another video. If you're new to the channel, please click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on new videos. Wi-Fi 6 was released today, so that means all devices can now be certified. The new iPhones that were just released, the iPhone 11, iPhone 11 Pro, and the iPhone 11 Pro Max are all supporting it right out of the box, even though they're not certified. Okay, I'm going to go over some features that Wi-Fi 6 has. This is why you'd care about it. So, of course, it's going to be faster speeds. The fastest now, I think, is, let me check, 3.5 gigaflops, and now it's going to go up to 9.5 gigaflops. There's going to be a crazy speed boost for people who have more than like 2 or 3 devices in their house, so a really crowded network. Routers will be able to handle it better. Longer ranges. Now you can walk around your house. You don't need extenders. You can be out in front of your house and it will still get you, and you still have a strong enough signal. It'll be just more efficient the way it distributes the level of Wi-Fi to each device, like which one needs this. If you're downloading something that needs a little bit more, then it'll delegate to that device instead. The battery life. So on all your devices, whenever you have Bluetooth on, it drains. Even the Bluetooth Lite, it still drains the battery as things do. So with Wi-Fi 6, it's going to basically sip your battery. So you'll have a longer battery life on all your devices. They're talking about greater security. I haven't got all the details on that just yet, but I'm just guessing they're going to introduce some new security measures to block out people from trying to steal your Wi-Fi, which is always good because buy your own Wi-Fi. Don't be stealing mine. Okay, and better device management. So if you're a company or something like that, and you go out and you have all these devices that you're managing, you want to be able to manage the Wi-Fi, manage the internet, and all that goodness. So it's coming with that too. For us regular people, we probably wouldn't care about that one. Now, am I excited about these new features? Heck yeah. I mean, Wi-Fi 6 is coming, and at first I was like, oh, I'm not going to really feel a big thing because, the 9.6 or 9.5 gigaflops, the people at home, you and me, we're not going to be able to get those speeds. That's for businesses and things like that, But with the added security, the longer range, the battery life being a lot better, see, those things I can get behind. The longer range would really help me. I mean, I don't like to have Wi-Fi repeaters all in the house or extenders. I just like, my router, do what you gotta do to the house. Now, I understand if you have metal walls and things like that, then it can't get through. It's not really its fault. But just regular construction, it should be able to shoot through the whole house. The last feature that I really like is the boost. The boost is awesome. I would love it to be able to delegate to different devices which one needs more. If I'm, downloading a movie legally, I would need, some more bandwidth to go ahead and download that. If you're over there downloading a Word document, slow it down a little bit. You can get it in like a minute or so, where I want this movie fast, So I really think I like that the best. Okay, guys, I know this one was a short one, but I've got a question of the day. Are you excited about Wi-Fi 6? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Before you go, if you found value in this video, if you could please click the like button and leave me a comment or two, it really helps me and the channel out. As always, this is Jason, and I'll catch you in the next one.